Definitely looking at a treacherous morning commute across West Michigan. This is a live view looking at the Allendale campus of Grand Valley State University. You can notice the fresh blanket of snow, and everything just looks like it's frozen solid, like there's a layer of ice. Guess what? There actually is a layer of ice and slush that is developing, and we've got a wide range of temperatures across the region. Even the main roads, this is US 131 through the S-curve, the heart of downtown Grand Rapids, and we still have slush and ice covering the roads, even through the heart of the city. So the secondary and side roads, rural roads, neighborhood streets are going to be very slushy and very slippery as a result. Notice temperatures here, 34 in Holland, 33 in Grand Rapids and Ionia, only a degree or two above freezing. And you can notice there is some warmer air off to the south. Still below freezing to the north of Grand Rapids, and that's where once again we have the potential for picking up a couple of more inches of accumulating snow. Here's a look at Storm Track Live right now, and you can see a lull in the precipitation going on, the heaviest rain and precipitation from overnight pressing off to the east, but we've got another area of precipitation that we are tracking back to our south and southwest, and as that moves into play, it'll be arriving along the lakeshore areas south of Grand Rapids. It will likely be rain arriving into the Kalamazoo area between 6 and 6:15, right around 7 o'clock in downtown Grand Rapids, and along the lakeshore in Ottawa and Muskegon counties about 6:30 to 6:45. Low pressure center tracking right overhead, and you see images when we have hurricanes that make landfall, sort of that eye of the storm where we don't have any active weather going on. It's basically what's going on in the atmosphere this morning. We've got that low pressure center, so a lull right now, but as this clears out, it opens the door for that next area of precipitation to quickly overspread West Michigan. Once again, from about I-96 to the south, it should be generally rain, but with the ground so cold, it doesn't take a lot for still some additional freezing to go on. And then those locations to the north, Muskegon, Newaygo, Big Rapids, Midland, Mount Pleasant, off to the north, it will be snow. And you see how quickly that precipitation clears out as we head through the late afternoon and evening. That opens the door for temperatures to drop below freezing, so everything that's slushy and slippery now is going to freeze solidly overnight tonight. Tomorrow afternoon, the next Arctic cold front comes our way as snow develops, gusty winds with temperatures in the mid-20s. And there we go with not one but two more Arctic blasts coming in the 8-day forecast. Tom, how are drivers doing so far? Some big issues are likely going to develop here this morning.
That is absolutely right. It's going to be a very slow going morning. This is one of those days where you don't want to be hitting that snooze. You want to get right out of bed and get your morning routine underway because you're going to need to be leaving early this morning. The newest crash that we have